Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well. So let's begin with our today's meditation journey. Before we start with our meditation, I would like to give you some simple instructions. Keep your eyes closed all throughout the meditation. Please do not follow any mudras. Keep your palms open and in the receiving position. Whenever asked to keep both of your hands on the heart, you will place both of your hands on the center of your chest. So that is the heart chakra and not your functioning heart. And lastly, if possible, sit on the floor and follow the meditation. It's not a compulsion, but you will feel or you will get a better result if you sit on the floor and follow the meditation. For those of whom who cannot sit on the floor, you can sit on the bed or on the chair. But see to it that when you're sitting on the chair, your feet is not dangling. So if it is hanging in the air, do take a cushion to support. Your feet should touch the ground whenever you're sitting on the chair. But for those of who can follow the meditation by sitting on the ground, please sit on the floor and follow the meditation. So let's begin with our today's meditation. Thank you so much. Hello everyone. So today I decided to choose some universal messages for all of us. So the first message is, or the first card that you see is, I create mindful moments throughout the day reminding that I am love and miracles are natural. The second card is, I choose to love and learn through love. And the fourth card is, I choose love no matter what. So these are the three messages that the universe wants us to give at this moment. And I feel it applies in all of our lives, all throughout our lives, right? So let's try to get closer today with the help of meditation to this eternal and unconditional love of the universe. Gently close your eyes. And start focusing on your breathing. Feel the air when it goes in through your nostrils and how it feels when you exhale it out of your body. Take a full and deep breath again. And try to focus on your breathing. आपल्या नाकाद्वारे श्वास आत जाताना त्याचा स्पर्श कसा असतो, आणि तोच श्वास जेव्हा आपण बाहेर सोडतो तेव्हा त्याचा असणारा स्पर्श कसा असतो. तुम्ही जेव्हा पूर्ण श्वास घेता तेव्हा तुमच्या शरीरात होणारे बदल, you can feel your lungs full of this beautiful breathe. आपण जेव्हा तो आपल्या शरीराच्या आत घेतो तेव्हा तो श्वास असतो, नाहीतर ती फक्त आजूबाजूला असणारी हवा. इट्स an element, right? So what keeps us alive is the breathing. But when you take in, that is when it becomes a breathe. Or else it's just the air element that is around us. तसं इमॅजिन करायचं आहे की तुमच्या नजरेसमोर एक असा मोठा डोंगर आहे. आणि हळूहळू आपण हा डोंगर चढायला चालू करायचं आहे. Imagine that you are standing at the foot of a huge cliff or a huge mountain. This mountain carries all the memories of your life. And slowly and gradually we are going to go down this memory lane of your life. So let's start climbing this mountain. What do you see when you start climbing this mountain? Do you see your childhood memories? Do you see the young version of you who's just learning to be a part of this beautiful world that is around itself? In spite of being scared or a little confused, we still look happy and peaceful within us. Let's not engage in any of these memories. We are just going to observe them as a part of our life. Gradually start walking ahead. What do you say now? Do you remember the achievements of your life? When you stood first in some competitions? When you bought your first vehicle? When you received your first paycheck? Do you remember the first fight of your life? Do you seem angry? When you look at yourself being upset? Or were you hurt after that first fight? Look at it the way it is. Of how much you were hurt. But when you look at yourself in the situation, you will send a lot of love to that part of you that is probably still sitting there being hurt. Send a lot of love to the other person. And take the learning from it. Is it trying to teach you something? Is it asking you to rescue yourself? To release yourself from the situation? Give yourself this permission when you're looking at yourself in that hurt. Give yourself permission to be released from that moment. And as you give yourself this permission, the part of you just turns into golden light. And it just evaporates in the air. Let's walk ahead. I want you to remember when you're very scared in your life. Maybe scared of losing someone, or scared of losing yourself in this crowd. You can see the incidents, the situation playing in front of your eyes, and you start walking closer to that situation. You know all the struggle was so that people could accept you the way you are. Do not engage in it. Just be the observer of the situation. Now again, give yourself permission to feel it completely. Give yourself permission to feel the rejection, the fear of loss in your heart completely. And as you give yourself permission to feel it completely, you give the aspect of you that you're seeing in front of your eyes permission to be released from that moment. See that part converting into this beautiful golden light and being a part of this cosmos, being a part of this universe and evaporating in front of your eyes. Take a full breath in. And give yourself strength to walk ahead. And as you walk ahead, slowly and gradually, you're seeing that you're reaching the mountain top. हळूहळू तुम्हाला असं जाणवतंय की तुम्ही त्या कड्याच्या, त्या डोंगराच्या सगळ्यात उंच भागावर पोचला आहात. And when you reach there, you see the beautiful sky above you and the deepest and the most beautiful sea beneath you. It is so beautiful. And as you're thanking the universe to push you to this cliff, from far off the sky, you see something coming closer to you. As if a part of the universe is coming down for you. It is coming towards you to bless you. It has something in its hands. It is carrying something with it. And as it gets closer, you can see it clearly. The universe is trying to give its light to you. It's the love of the universe that it wants to share with you. It wants you to protect this light, this love in your heart. It wants you to store it in your heart. घ्या बघू हा लाईट जो युनिवर्स तुम्हाला देण्याचा प्रयत्न करतोय. तुमच्या हाताच्या उंजळीत घेऊन तो तुमच्या हृदयात तुम्हाला स्टोअर करायचा आहे. Receive this light in your palms and store it in your heart. Do it. Do it for yourself. The love of universe is important. Protect it in your heart. It will allow you to see all your life circumstances with eternal love. Take a full deep breath in. Breathe in and breathe out gently. Touch both of your hands on the ground. Thank Mother Earth. Send her lots of love. Thank her for protecting you and your family, for nourishing you and your family. Thank her for allowing you to be here. Thank your soul for choosing this life. Thank the sea that you're still seeing in front of your eyes. Thank the sky. Thank the universe who just came for you in this moment. Thank the light that you just received. Thank your family and all the people who have made you who you are today. Thank all the situations, the experiences that you had in your life. They were all meant to help you grow and to teach you. Thank yourself for attending this meditation today. And one more time, take a full deep breathe in. Breathe in and breathe out gently. And whenever you're comfortable, slowly and gradually, very gently open your eyes. Thank you so much.